Hi friends, good days. How are y'all doing? You know, you've come to this video for a reason and you're probably surfing the internet right now looking for a real good oral hygiene supplement. You probably have a supplement in mind already, but let me tell you that I'm here to tell you about Provadent, and it's going to blow your mind. And I mean, Provadent is actually going to be the best solution you've ever tried for helping you deal with a bad breath, plaque buildup, or getting your teeth to become whiter. Provadent is cool, and you know, this goes way beyond what you're expecting. Men and women who have used Provadent are having the most incredible results ever. And let me tell you something more, it's a great price. People judge you when they look at your teeth, and I mean, I'm sorry, but that's the truth. People judge you, and if you don't have a beautiful smile and if you have bad breath, people are always kind of staying away from you. So why deal with that when you can be using something that is natural and safe and have a great, beautiful smile? You can't afford a dentist? I get you. They're expensive. Dental procedures, yes, they're expensive. Not everyone can afford to go to a dentist, but you don't have to be going to the dentist if you brush your teeth regularly and use Provadent. Below this video, I will be leaving two links for you guys, Provadent's official webpage and their checkout page, in case you want to go directly in to purchase it from there. Pop over there afterwards to learn more about it. Alright, so here's the deal. Provadent primarily targets oral health by using probiotics and natural compounds, balance and bacteria in our mouths. So it contains around 4 probiotic strains that help reduce harmful bacteria and promote a healthier oral environment. This can reduce the bad breath, prevent plaque buildup, and lower the risk of gum disease, which is actually something that lots of people struggle with. And that additionally, Provadent formulation includes minerals that strain our teeth and gums and antioxidants to combat damage from free radicals. So what you can expect from Provadent is actually a fantastic formula. We are talking about organic xylitol. This is a natural sweetener that balances our mouth bacteria and keep our breath fresh throughout the entire day. So there's also a really good BioFresh Clean complex, which is a mix of natural ingredients that is also targeted for oral health issues like cranberry extract, purple carrot powder, organic xylitol, probiotic strains, in order for you to get all these results Provadent is dealing with, which are really powerful and really good for you. So you have to maintain a strict treatment. The manufacturers state that you need to use Provadent for about 6 months, 3 to 6 months actually, but depending on which one you choose, it doesn't matter, as long as you remember you're going to be taking Provadent every single day. So if you are in doubt, just remember this. Provadent has already helped thousands of men and women. It is a natural, FDA approved and made in a GMP certified facility. If you have doubts about it, pop over on their official webpage to learn more. But I can guarantee you that the minute you start using Provadent, you're going to see really happy results, because you're going to see your gums and teeth go from really bad to really healthy, and you're not even wasting that much money. So think about your oral hygiene, guys. Pop over to their official webpage in order to learn more. And in case you don't like Provadent, there's a money back guarantee waiting for you on their official webpage. So yeah, bye guys, and see you next time.